In today's video, you will be watching goddess braid styles, easy protective hairstyles. Hey my lovely friends, I trust everyone is doing pretty cool. To you, my old friend, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. We appreciate you, okay? We can never take you for granted. Yes. So if you are new here, welcome to Peculiar Hair and Style. We appreciate you for coming. You are watching from Peculiar Hair and Styles, where you see the latest in hairstyles trend around the world. Yes, hairstyles like twisting to cornrows, natural hairstyles, braiding for adults, kids, and more. Sometimes you get to see tutorial on how to achieve some of these styles. So consider joining the family by subscribing. Put the bell notification to all so you don't get to miss any of our uploads. You will be the first to watch each time we upload a new video. So in today's video, from the title, you already know what you are watching by now, okay? You are watching goddess braid styles, easy protective hairstyle, and also time saving as well. Not only that, it's also easy to maintain and take care of. Yes, so stay tuned while I dish out these amazing protective hairstyles which you can try out next. You know, whenever you want to give your hair a break from combing, okay? So you can have this simple and beautiful protective hairstyles, okay? Yes. So, goddess braid can be worn thick in an even pattern or interspersed with tiny or small cornrows. You can create any artful shape or waves details you desire. So it depends on what you desire, okay? A lot of goddess braid hairstyles incorporate chunkier braids with smaller cornrows, which give the styles privilege to add any details you love or desire. The design on the head are super creative and fun. We have different ways which you can braid these goddess styles, such as Dutch braid, also known as two cornrows braids, ponytails, space bun, side parts goddess, and many more. So guys, which of these styles are you going to try out next? Let me know at the comment section, okay? So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, okay? Comment, share, subscribe if you haven't done that already, okay? Here comes the end of today's video. I'm going to see you guys on my next one. Keep taking care of yourself. Love yourself. I love you too.